Hi, my name is Andy Sanchez. Welcome to another edition of our Microsoft demo series, where we will show you the differences between Microsoft's cloud solutions and services for you to choose the best option for your organization. So the next layer is protecting against cyber threats and data loss. Here, we're going to talk about phishing, ransomware protection, how to safeguard your business, your customer, well, your business data, your customers' data, and how Business Premium can help you get visibility into the cloud apps, the different cloud apps that your users may be using. Because even though you have all of these great tools, doesn't necessarily mean that everybody is using them or that everybody is using only these tools. So it gives you, it allows you to uncover those hidden risks. We'll start with Defender for Office 365. And this was previously Advanced Threat Protection, so you may still see it as ATP some places, but it's been rebranded as Defender for Office 365. With Defender for Office 365, you're going to leverage safe links and safe attachments. Safe links is going to be scanning the links that are embedded in the email. They're going to be warning you if the destination is a malicious site. So sort of kind of like what we see in the screenshot back here in this browser. This is completely customizable. So you can customize the text. There's a continue anyway option here that says not recommended. You can choose to allow that or remove that completely. It's up to you. But that does provide time of click protection. So what that means is that anytime the user clicks on the link, it's going to run the scan on the background. This is important because there are attacks now where a link will sort of evolve. So if you get an email today, for example, you click on the link, oh, it's safe, okay, good. I come back to the email for some reason a week later, and I click on the link again, and now it's a malicious site because it changed. So it provides a protection at time of click and helps you, block any malicious sites, sites that automatically download, whether it be PDFs or any type of executable file, whatever. You can block that before the user is able to access, and just let them know that, hey, this has been marked by Microsoft. And the same applies for safe attachments. Microsoft leverages their global system, their global user base, basically. So it's sort of like you help me, I help you. Everybody's using Defender for Office 365 and the other Defender tools, and that helps feed their database and helps keep it up to date with all the latest definitions of virus protection and those type of things. So that is always up to date. You can count on that. Also, safe attachments is sort of the same thing, but it's scanning your attachments when they are attached to your emails. Both of this protection, by the way, is also applied to SharePoint Online, to Teams, and to the OneDrive for Business. So it's scanning everything on the background. When a user receives an attachment, it's going to open that and test it in a virtual sandbox environment. So you don't have to worry about it being opened and then causing some harm on the end user's device. It's already going to be blocked if the document is determined to be malicious. It's not going to open. It will actually give the user sort of a same type of error window to let them know that the document has been blocked. And then, of course, you've got the Windows or the Microsoft Defender AV, which is antivirus, and then that's provided as part of 365 Business Premium, and Microsoft 365 Business upgrade that it includes. So it helps you. So it sort of just keeps up to date on the antivirus that Windows 10 or later provide. Okay. So data loss prevention and Azure information protection. This allows you to manually label your sensitive information. So let's say you're writing up an email or a document and it includes customers' credit card information, social security numbers, date of birth, whatever is priority for you to keep safe, whether that's for certain compliance like HIPAA or any scenario where you have to apply protection for the company's data. You'll have the ability to classify that data and then protect it additionally, right? So you can encrypt it, you can prevent, for example, the users from being able to forward the email from them to being able to print it or to send it externally to non-employees. The same for the documents. The documents you can apply watermarks. You can apply uh, uh, a certain dates. For example, let's say I share a document with a teammate or maybe somebody externally, and I want to revoke access in 7 days. You can apply that type of control. The next thing is cloud app security, cloud app discovery, sorry, which is actually part of cloud app security. Cloud app discovery is what allows you to pretty much discover, the name, the service is in the name. It helps you discover the other cloud apps that are in your environment. So, for example, if I don't know if you can see, but on this screenshot, we see that some users are using OneDrive for Business, but others are also using, Google or other maybe Dropbox, other storage applications, which may or may not be okay depending on your business. It would be a little bit harder to keep things safe or have control over your company's business data if it resides in different places, or would maybe make it a little bit more difficult for your IT to keep things under control. So that's why this sort of tool is useful, gives you an eagle-eyed view of what's happening with your data, where it's at, and that way you can come back and address that, accordingly with your end users or at a company level. That's up to you, but it gives you that ability. Please contact us for more information or to schedule a personalized presentation. Our team of certified experts provide 24/7 critical admin support with 30-minute SLA for most Microsoft solutions.